So we are starting a new series on my YouTube channel called as Trying New Body Care Products and Brands, and this is the first episode of it. Let's get into today's video, shall we? So the first body care product we're gonna use is a hair removal spray. Being hair free is like being carefree. So this is by the brand called as Mancode. I'm literally using it for the first time. Shake, 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 and apply it all over your body where you want to get rid of those teeny tiny hairs. So guys, we're gonna use it on our one leg to help you guys compare the before and after results. So what are we waiting for? Honestly guys, हमारी लाइफ इतनी हेक्टिक हो गई ना कि I just do not have the patience to use a razor and worry about cuts and waxing. I don't know why people bear so much of pain. I am never gonna do that. And the LASIK hair removal treatment, guys, I am too poor for that. So let's just not go that way. So guys, मेहंदी लग चुकी है. अब हमें 10 से 15 मिनट के लिए वेट करना है. फिर उसके बाद हम अपना रिजल्ट देखेंगे.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So guys, 10 minutes are officially up now. All you need to do is wipe it off in the opposite direction of your hair growth. So let's just put it to test. I just have a cloth and I'm gonna wipe it off in the opposite direction of my hair growth. Let's just see. I wasn't expecting this hair removal spray to work this fine. No pain at all. Why do people do waxing when you can get this hair removal done without any pain? However, there was a sulfur-like smell which is very common when it comes to hair removal sprays. So I'm gonna rate this product 4 out of 5 because there is always a scope of improvement. Mancode hair removal spray. Good job. So guys, the next body care product which we are gonna use is I need sweat pad. There is this one particular t-shirt, this one. पता नहीं क्या दुश्मनी है ना इसकी मेरे साथ. This particular fabric, जितनी भी मेरे पास टी-शर्ट और शर्ट इस fabric से बनी है, they develop a big sweat patch and I absolutely hate it. So to avoid this, I got the sweat patch from this brand called as P-Safe. So we're gonna use it. So guys, on a side note, using sweat pads is completely optional and personal. There should absolutely be no shame associated with it because when you live in a country which is hot and humid and a city like Delhi, you tend to develop it. So I have to tell you one thing, this basically comes in two formats or two types. One is the straight one is the folded ones. I got the folded ones specifically because they were cheaper and I am poor. So that makes so much sense. So all you need to do is remove this adhesive strip. Nikal ja, tu bhi nikal ja. And just paste it simply on the underarm seam and you are good to go. This is how it looks. And now we are gonna put it to test. So guys, we are at the park and now we are going to actually test these sweat pads. So what are we waiting for? Let's do it. Number 1, running. Let's go. Can you see that I have sweat pads? की आवाज आ रही है जी, बंद कर दो. So guys, can you see I literally have sweat pads under it? Can you see it?
Nope.
No, right? That's good. Round 2 is push up. Now round 3 is going to be actually a very difficult exercise. So you're gonna do it. Come. So guys, this was the last exercise which I'm gonna do. Very difficult exercise. Is it difficult?
Yes.
अच्छा लग रहा है. So guys, I'm almost done with my workout and I don't see a single sweat patch. Can you see it? Like, oh my god, these sweat pants are... Why do I keep saying it's sweat pants? These are not sweat pants, these are sweat pads. So these sweat pads are just amazing. अब ये जब भी मैं कोई भी व्लॉग करूँ ना बाहर से ये वाली आवाज़ ज़रूर आनी, कोई ना कहीं वेल्डिंग तो होनी ही होनी है. So guys, now the review time. Let's just talk about the comfort and breathability. I was expecting it to be little bit thicker, but it is actually very thin. So that makes it more comfortable and breathable. Second is, it is not visible from outside, something which I was very concerned about. And the third thing, certainly it also locks down the odor. So I'm gonna rate this product again a solid 4 out of 5. So P-Safe, you guys have done a good job. So guys, the next body care product which we are gonna use is, wait, guess करे यार.
पूरा हिंट तो दो. अपने दांत से रिलेटेड कुछ.
Yes, so the next body care product which we are gonna use is teeth whitening strips. Let me tell you, this product is all over the internet. If you are obsessed with Indian curries like me, इधर आओ, पास आओ. देखो तो भाई साहब आज क्या इंडियन करी बनी. मतलब इंडियन करी में आप देख रहे हो, दिखाओ जरा इनको, पास से दिखाओ. बना है ना मटर पनीर और ये. यार अगर इतनी सारी इंडियन करीज आप खाते हो और आप मेरे जैसे कॉफी से ऑब्सेस्ड हो तो हो गए ही ना टीथ आपके येलो. सो अब हम यूज करने जा रहे हैं टीथ व्हाइटनिंग स्ट्रिप्स व्हिच इज बाय द ब्रांड कॉल्ड सैनफी. आई हैव नो आइडिया हाउ टू pronounce it. Please Google में जाके देख लेना. But चलो इसको use करते हैं. अच्छा, when it comes to teeth whitening strips ना, मैंने एक hack देखा था online. I'm just gonna put that video and that clip on the screen right now.
Double them by cutting them this way and then only placing the strip over the front of the teeth and not on the back.
So if you are poor like me, then this hack is really appropriate to save some extra strip. Guys, don't be offended by the fact that I keep mentioning myself as poor, because I just feel like this world celebrates the rich, the successful a lot. But what about people who are grinding every single day? What about people who are still not successful? और वैसे भी यार दिखावे की दुनिया है, आगे के दांत चमक जाए पीछे का कौन मेरे मुंह में घुस के देखने वाला है, राइट? So this is how it looks. मुझे लग रहा है ये ऊपर वाले के लिए, नीचे वाले के लिए, मेरे को कोई आइडिया नहीं. मुझको लग रहा है इंस्ट्रक्शन पढ़ने ही पड़ेंगे. क्या लिखा है? अप्लाई लॉन्गर स्ट्रिप टू द टॉप टीथ एंड द स्मॉलर स्ट्रिप टू द बॉटम टीथ. ठीक है, तो कितनी देर के लिए लगाना है हमें से? अप्लाई फॉर 30 मिनट्स. 30 मिनट, आधा घंटा. तो why it is written that you will get brighter smile instantly? Well, if your partner is too chatty, just give them teeth whitening strips and they will be mum for the next 30 minutes. Guys, now the review time 30 minutes were officially up, and surprisingly the taste was pretty good. I was feeling like I was having a bubble gum in my mouth. I'm gonna rate this product again a solid 4.5 out of 5 because it really helped me to get that instantly brighter smile. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to use other teeth whitening products as well. यार आजकल तो ताजमहल भी पीला पड़ रहा है, ये तो मेरे दांत ही हैं. So guys, the next body care product which we are gonna use is a new perfume brand. I was very skeptical about the fact that whether I should get it or not, because I am literally a connoisseur when it comes to perfume. मैंने लाइफ में आज तक कोई भी ऑनलाइन परफ्यूम नहीं मंगाया. I literally go to the store, अच्छे से उसे स्मेल करता था, then only buy it. But this time I trusted online reviews and I got this perfume. So let me show you. So this perfume is by the brand called as La French. This is the luxury oud perfume. I am very nervous and excited at the same time. So let's just smell it. The packaging is kind of amazing. It gives very luxury perfume kind of packaging, right? Alright, so this is like a mysterious sweet smelling smell. This is definitely not very strong because I just hate strong smells. This smells completely oud, which just justifies its name. It is woody, it is chalky. I can literally use it on a daily basis. So guys, जैसे मैं पहले बता रहा था ना, मुझे बड़ा नर्वसनेस हो रहा था कि मुझे एक ऑनलाइन परफ्यूम मंगाना चाहिए कि नहीं. बट व्हेन आई गॉट इट एंड व्हेन आई स्मेल्ड इट, आई फेल्ट कि यार ये परफ्यूम दिस इज रियली गुड. जैसे मैंने कहा, इट इज़ नॉट वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, लिटिल बिट स्वीट है, मिस्टीरियस एक सेंट है. तो मैं इसको रेट करूंगा आई थिंक सॉलिड 4 out of 5. एंड इवन दो दिस इज बाय द ब्रांड कॉल्ड एज ला फ्रेंच, बट दिस इज कंप्लीटली 100% मेड इन इंडिया. सो उसके लिए भी कुडोज टू इट. सो ला फ्रेंच परफ्यूम, गुड जॉब. So guys, the last body care product which I'm gonna talk about, well, the list of body care products and brands would be incomplete without body washer. I have always been a soap kind of a person for the entire life, but since I'm moving to my 20s, शौक बदल रहे हैं. So the 2 body washes which I have used recently, I have been obsessed with. Number 1 is this body wash by Dettol. Dettol? I knew that Dettol was good with soap, but with body washes, guys, I have to tell you something honestly. Zepto, Blinkit, हर जगह ये प्रोडक्ट आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो रखा है, इसलिए मैं आपको दिखा नहीं सकता हूँ. But this is one of the best body care product I have used. Second is this body wash by the brand called as Dove. This is literally milk. This is literally malai. It makes your skin feel so plumpy, so soft. So guys, if you are thinking about getting a body wash, you can definitely try one of these products because they are just amazing. So guys, here we wrap the first episode of trying new body care products and brands. Do let me know in the comment section what all body care products and brands you want me to try next, and I will come to you with the second episode of trying new body care products and brands. एंड जाने से पहले क्वेश्चन का आंसर जरूर देते जाना, और वो क्वेश्चन है,
Will I see you later?